Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the best ways to stay motivated and start your day off on the right foot. If you're ready to boost your productivity, stay tuned. Segment 1. Getting started with positive mindset. First things first, let's begin with setting a positive mindset for the day. Start by taking a few deep breaths and say some positive affirmations out loud. Trust me, this can make a huge difference in your motivation levels. Segment 2. Mindful morning routine. Now that we're in the right mindset, it's time to dive into our morning routine for productivity. Begin by doing a quick mindfulness exercise for 5 minutes. Find a quiet spot, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. This will help you center yourself and clear any mental clutter. Segment 3. Exercise to energize. Moving on, it's crucial to incorporate some exercise into your morning routine. Whether it's a quick jog, yoga, or even a dance session, getting your body moving will not only wake you up but also release endorphins to boost your motivation. Segment 4. Nourishing breakfast. After a good workout, it's time to fuel your body with a wholesome breakfast. Opt for a nutritious meal that includes protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. This will provide the energy you need to tackle the day ahead. Segment 5. Setting goals and intentions. Now that you're energized and ready to take on the world, let's talk about setting goals and intentions. Grab a pen and paper and write down 3 specific goals you want to achieve today. Visualize yourself accomplishing them and set clear intentions to stay focused. Segment 6. Organizing your workspace. A cluttered workspace can be a major productivity killer. Take a few minutes to declutter and organize your desk. Having a clean and organized workspace will help you stay focused and motivated throughout the day. Segment 7. Motivational quotes and visualization. When you're in need of a little extra motivation, turn to powerful quotes and visualization. Create a vision board or write down motivational quotes that resonate with you. Whenever you hit a slump during the day, glance at them to reignite your motivation. Segment 8. Accountability partner. Lastly, find an accountability partner who shares similar goals and ambitions. This could be a friend, family member, or even joining a productivity community online. Having someone to check in with and share your progress will keep you motivated and accountable. And that's it for today's video on the best ways to stay motivated. Incorporating these tips into your daily morning routine can truly transform your productivity and motivation levels. Remember, consistency is key. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more motivation and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.